This video is about how to create a Discord category. Now, to make a category on Discord, you need first to go to your server profile, then tap this link to start creating your category. The next thing is to enter your category name, then turn this button on or off to make your category public or private. And after that, you need to tap this check mark to finish up creating your category. And on your server, you can tap and hold on your category, then go on to edit the category and also make some category settings. And under user management, you can add roles and members. And if you tap this plus button next to your category, you can go on to add channels to your category. And to delete your Discord category, you need to go to the category editing screen, then tap these three dots and then go on to delete the category. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Discord and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.